The Mercedes-Benz W245, produced from 2005 to 2011, features side mirrors that can be folded to navigate tight spaces. This guide covers both manual and electronic methods, depending on your vehicle's configuration. All W245 models are equipped with manually folding side rearview mirrors. This feature allows you to fold the mirrors inward to protect them and navigate narrow spaces more easily. To fold the mirror, gently grasp the outer housing with your hand. Then push the entire mirror assembly inward toward the vehicle body. This simple manual process requires no tools and helps prevent damage in tight parking spaces or garages. To unfold the mirror, simply pull the housing back outward away from the car. Continue pulling until you hear or feel it click securely into its original position. This ensures the mirror is properly locked and ready for safe driving. Higher trim levels like the B200 or B180 CDI often feature power mirrors. Look for a mirror switch on your driver's side door panel. It usually has a central button or rocker switch to control mirror folding. To fold the mirrors electrically, first locate the mirror switch on the driver's door panel. Press the switch towards the center of the vehicle to initiate folding. Both mirrors will fold inward electrically. Ensure the ignition is on for the switch to function. To unfold the power mirrors on your Mercedes-Benz W245, locate the mirror switch on the driver's door panel. Press the switch toward the outer edge, left for the left mirror, right for the right mirror. The mirrors will automatically unfold back to their driving position. Electric motors inside the mirror housing provide the power for smooth, reliable unfolding. Some W245 variants include an auto-fold function linked to the key fob. If present, the mirrors will automatically fold when you lock the car with the key fob and unfold when you unlock it. This is not standard on all models. To prevent damage, avoid forcing the mirrors when folding them manually. This can harm the motors or hinges, especially in older vehicles like the W245, which are prone to wear after 10 to 15 years. Periodically lubricate the hinges with silicone spray to prevent sticking and corrosion. This is especially important for W245 mirrors exposed to weather elements over time. If power mirrors malfunction, check the fuses in the fuse panel. Electrical faults are common in W45 models, often due to corrosion or failed components. Inspect electrical connections, including the wiring harness to the body control module. Worn wiring can cause mirror control issues and may require professional diagnosis. For worn components, replacement parts are available through Mercedes-Benz distributors. Regular maintenance helps extend the life of your W245 mirrors. Consider aftermarket kits for adding auto-folding functionality if your W245 lacks it. These kits often use smartphone apps for remote control. Recycled plastic parts are also available for mirror housings, promoting sustainability.